Now we'll go through the HR policies. Understanding our HR policies is essential to ensure a fair, supportive, and a professional work environment at Zat Food Stores. Equal opportunity employment. We are committed to providing equal employment opportunities to all individuals regardless of their race, color, religion, gender, national origin, age, or any other characteristics provided by law. Anti-discrimination and harassment policy. Discrimination or harassment of any kind will not be tolerated. Employees are encouraged to report any incidents of discrimination or harassment to management immediately. Let's look at benefits. Health insurance. Healthcare insurance will be provided to employees after completing the probationary period. All employees will be provided with an insurance card and the distribution list. Incentives. We believe in recognizing and rewarding the hard work and dedication of our staff. Monthly incentives are provided based on specific criteria, which will be explained to you by the outlet managers or the operation managers. Social media policy. Using personal social media. We allow employees to access their personal accounts at work, but we expect responsible use to ensure productivity isn't affected. Limit your use to few minutes per workday and adhere to our confidentiality policy. Avoid violating our anti-harassment policies or posting content that could complicate your collaboration with colleagues. Employees who handle corporate social media accounts or speak on behalf of our company must act carefully and responsibly to protect our image and reputation. Disciplinary consequences. We'll monitor all social media postings on our corporate account. Disciplinary action up to and including termination may be taken if employees do not follow this policy guidelines. Employee Code of Conduct. Through this policy, we convey the set of rules that reflect our company's ethics and culture to clients, shareholders, and the public. It protects employees' dignity, self-respect, and rights and sets a standard code of conduct mandatory for all employees. Ethical principles and values. The policy directs the ethical principles and values as follows: integrity, truthfulness and honesty, objectivity, fairness and equality, knowledge sharing, teamwork and team spirit, promoting positivity. Annual leave and absence policy. These are the type of leaves you are allowed to take. Leaves are only approved by direct manager or the HR. Food stores uniform and appearance policy. Uniform standards. Wear the full and correct uniform during all working hours, including the uniform, cap, badge, and apron. Uniform must be clean, well maintained, and presentable at all times. Uniform must be worn as intended and not modified without prior approval from the management. Personal appearance. Maintain good personal hygiene. Hair should be neat and tidy. Long hair should be tied back for safety. Nails should be clean and trimmed. If nail polish is worn, it should be neutral or a conservative color. Jewelry should be minimal and not pose of any safety risk. Maintenance of uniforms. Employees are responsible for the regular cleaning and maintenance of their uniforms. Uniforms should be washed or dry cleaned as necessary to ensure they remain clean and presentable. Report any damage or excessive wear and tear to management immediately. Replacement of uniforms. Employees are responsible for the cost of replacing any uniform item damaged due to negligence. The replacement cost will be deducted from the employee's salary. Return of uniforms. Upon termination of employment, all issued uniform items must be returned in good condition. Uniforms must be dry cleaned before being returned to food stores. Failure to return uniform items or returning them in unacceptable condition will result in a deduction from the employee's final paycheck to cover the replacement cost. Non-compliance. Failure to adhere this policy may result in disciplinary action up to and including termination of employment.